Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp jar. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, high-quality shrimp, ensuring they are peeled and deveined. Next, sterilize a 1-quart glass jar and its lid by boiling them for 10 minutes. This crucial step prevents any unwanted bacteria. Finally, prepare your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar in 2 cups of warm water, then let it cool completely. Now, let's build the flavor. Begin by placing a layer of shrimp at the bottom of your sterilized jar. Then, add a few slices of fresh garlic, a small chili pepper, and a sprig of dill. Repeat these layers until the jar is nearly full, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the cooled brine over the shrimp and aromatics, making sure all ingredients are completely submerged. Once your jar is filled, it's time to seal it up. Secure the lid tightly, ensuring it's completely airtight to prevent any air from entering. Place the sealed jar in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the shrimp to ferment for approximately 3 to 5 days. You might see some small bubbles, which is a good sign of fermentation. After 3 to 5 days, your shrimp jar is ready. Transfer the jar to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. The shrimp will be perfectly preserved and bursting with flavor. For the best taste and texture, enjoy your homemade shrimp within 2 weeks. It makes a fantastic appetizer or a unique addition to salads and other dishes. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.